Hello, 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 everyone, and welcome or welcome back to my channel. I'm Patrice, and this is my Embellish Life. I know you guys are enjoying my summer series of Let's Sew with Me, but, 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 we have to take a pause for the cause. It is imperative that we take a pause for the cause because my girl Chris on social is hosting a pattern hackathon. Yes, she is. And you know, Patrice over here loves hacking patterns. So, Chris, tell the bus driver I come in. Tell the whole on I come in, okay? Yes. So I have some ideas in mind because I really want to take part in this challenge. So we're going to talk about some of the ideas that I have because month end is almost here. So I just have a little bit of time to squeeze in something. So let's have a quick chat of what I'm thinking on, and hopefully I can execute it and enter it for this challenge. So if that's something you're interested in, let's get in it. So for this pattern hackathon challenge, I am currently toying with two ideas. The first one is I want to do something with a shift dress or a sheath dress, whatever it's called, and or I want to do something with a shirt dress. So those are the two things that I'm toying with right now. So both of them, I went on Pinterest, yes, for some inspiration. So with the sheath dressed one, I'm toying with adding some sort of um, gathering to the bottom, and I want some sort of split down at the neck. I, in terms of the sleeves, I'm thinking something elbow length, not necessarily sleeveless for this time, something elbow length. So the picture that I have in mind, I'm going to pop it up so you can see where my train of thought is. So the patterns that I have, I had to go into my pattern stash for this one and tell them, look, gather on. We have a limited time here, so some quick negotiation and treaties need to be signed ASAP. I'm just saying. So with the first one, I'm looking at New Look 6621. Now, this is a top. This is a top, but it has potential for me to lengthen it to the length that I want for a dress, and for me to add those that double gathering at the end, at the bottom of it. So yes, you look 6621. Currently, I'm looking at view B, but I can also see the potential in view C. Yes. Um, the reason why I'm not sure about this pattern as yet is because of the sleeves. I'm not sure if it's a satin sleeve as yet or a dolman sleeve. I'm not sure as yet what sort of sleeves it is, and that's my whole up for this pattern at the moment. But once I get in it and I investigate it a bit further, I'll be able to make a decision at that point. But this is currently in the running for my sheath dress. Or my shift dress, whatever you want to call it. And so, like I said, it's a top, but I'm going to hack it and lengthen it to become dress length, and I'm going to add the double gathering at the bottom. So that's the first idea that I have using this pattern. Okay, New Look 6621. Okay. second pattern. The second pattern I have is Simplicity 3001, and this pattern is hot off the press. This is a part of the fall 2024 collection. Hot off the press. Just bought it. So the view that I'm looking currently is view A, yes, and with this one, if I choose this pattern, because it has the majority of the requirements that I'm looking for, but I will change out the sleeves because I don't want it to be long sleeve. I'm looking the furthest at my what do we call it, my elbows. So if I choose this pattern, I will definitely do some work on the sleeves, whether or not I just shorten it and keep this sleeve, or I choose some sort of billowy sleeve. I'm not sure yet, but this pattern definitely has the potential. It has the room that I'm looking for, and I will definitely be able to add those double gathering to the bottom. I just need to decide what I'm going to do with the sleeves if I select this pattern. It has the keyhole opening at the neck. That is what the word that I was searching for earlier. Yes, and it is easy to sew. The only notions that is originally needed for this pattern is elastic. So we have that option as well, should I decide to do the sheet dress. And that is Simplicity 3001. So the second idea that I have is using a shirt dress pattern, and what I'm planning to do is doing some sort of hacking around the sleeves area. So I'm going to pop the inspiration picture so you can get an idea of what where my train of thought is. Sorry. So the requirements, it has to be sleeveless. Yes, I don't want any sleeves for this one. And I want to put some sort of frills or some sort of ruffles, some sort of embellishment around the sleeves area. Simple enough. Simple enough. Okay. So the first pattern that I have in mind is Vogue 9371. And I did this pattern already, so it's already cut out. Yes, we like that. So the view that I did in the past was view C, and I shorten it. So it is already shortened to the length that I want. Okay. And the only thing that I will have to add is the fill embellishments. Okay. So the Vogue 9371. I mean, this pattern could also be use if I want to do some sort of pleating or ruffle at the bottom. Woo, focus, Pat, focus. The ideas are coming now, and we need to make a decision ASAP. So I can't be entertaining or flirting with other ideas here. But that's just another, yeah. Let me put that in the bank. Yes. Okay. So that's the first pattern, Vogue 9371. The other pattern, it's from Simplicity, and it's 8546. Now, this pattern, I think I used the sleeve portion of this pattern for when I was hacking my birthday outfit. So I know how the sleeves fit, but I've never used the rest of this pattern. So if I use this pattern, I'm looking at view C because I want a color. So I will use view C with the sleeves from view A because I like that. Oh no, I'm mixing up ideas. No, Pat. Let's go back. Let's go back. Sorry for the confusion. This sleeve from view A, I think I can also use it. It can be an option for the sheet dress as well. This sleeves. Okay. just follow the madness with me. But let's go back to this pattern. So if I use view C, obviously I'm going to make it sleeveless because that is what I want if I use the shirt dress. And I'm just going to add the embellishment along the armholes. Okay? So I think it's easy enough hacking. Like I said, I don't have a lot of time, and both of the ideas that I have are simple enough for me to execute in a matter of days because that is all that I have. Chris, hold on there. I come in. I come in. Okay, so let me just show you the fabric that I have in mind quick that I'm thinking on using for the both of them. So this is what we have, and it is a I would say a dusty purple in color. Dusty purple in color. It's a very nice kind of muted color that I like. I really do like this color. And it is a cotton shirting fabric, so it will do brilliant with both of the ideas that I have in mind. So yeah, I've had this in my stash for a while, and I always wanted to make a shirt dress with this, so it's currently up my alley. It would work for both ideas that I'm toying with right now. So this is the fabric. I'm going to make a decision today because I have to start cutting into this fabric today. So the Sew With Me summer series for my summer brunch, it's on hold. So I'll upload part two because part two is finished. So by the time you see this video, sorry, part two would have been uploaded already. But there would be a space between part two and part three because I have to get this out. This particular project challenge, I have to get it sorted because joining more challenges for 2024 was a part of my goals, and I'm having been doing a lot of stuff in that arena. So I have to get on this and I have to support Chris. So, I mean, there's a few days left. So if you're interested, I'll pop Chris's information about the hackathon below so you can take part in it and just join in on the fun. So I'm going to get crack-a-lacking right now. I'm going to make a decision, cut out the fabric, and then we will go. All right? So I'm off. But until then, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Yes, and click that notification bell so you can be aware of all of my other shenanigans. Yes. I hope you have a lovely day. Enjoy the rest of your week. Think lovely thoughts. Keep on smiling. And always remember to make beautiful and wonderful things. All right, lovies. I'm out of here. Bye.